Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on PEPE. On the 7 days time frame chart, PEPE has broken out a quite big inverse head and shoulder pattern, and you can see that it has pumped very well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. You can see that after the breakout from this down channel, the price had accumulated between this downtrend line resistance that was coming from here. You can see we got rejection here, here, and here, and so many rejections we got here as well. And finally, the price then broke out this resistance and also this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. And in my so many previous videos, I've been telling you that this is a quite long-term resistance zone because previously it had been working as a support zone here, resistance zone here, support zone here, and you can see for several days it had been working as a resistance zone. And now for the past several days it was working as a resistance zone once again. And I was telling you that once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive pump. And you can see that the price line has pumped very well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. Right now, you can see that Pepe is struggling to break out this resistance of 340. We will also watch this resistance as well. I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Pepe that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 318%. Very, very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Pepe that I shared on 1st of Feb 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And this move was, by the way, formed with US dollar pair on a daily time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has produced almost 318%. Very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Pepe. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that previously we have been following different breakouts from different patterns. First, it broke out this down channel. We had a nice pump, but got rejected by this resistance of 190. Then we also broke down this very long-term support and resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. Previously, it has been breaking as a support here, support here, support here. And since it broke it down, it was breaking as a very strong resistance here up till the month of December on the 3rd of December 2023. And you can see that while moving inside this channel, we also formed a quite big double bottom pattern here as well. And in those days, I've been telling you that here, Pepe is bottomed out, and after breaking out this channel and the formation of this double bottom, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And now you can see that so far, from this low, when we formed this bottom, this second bottom here, up till this current high, it has rallied more than uh 500, almost 493%, almost 500%. And now recently we have also broken out another down channel, and after breaking out this down channel, we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance zone as well. Now if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we have found another resistance at 340. You can see we got stable ejections. For a while we broke down this next support of 297, that but recovered back very soon, and now it is about to hit this resistance once again. And after that, we may have another very strong psychological resistance here at 439, because this was the highest price of this first candlestick as per Binance Exchange as 439, and that can again work as a resistance. Now on this weekly time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken out this quite huge and big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see this was the left shoulder, a head, and this was the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. We have broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now if we take a look at the target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern, that target is here approximately at 460. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.